Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to solve the Death of Apocalypse puzzle in Marvel Rivals. First up, we're going to solve the Death of Wolverine puzzle. To complete this puzzle, the first thing you need to do is gather all the clues by clicking on the small, shiny stars scattered around the area. Once you have collected all the clues, it's time to solve the puzzle. Once you arrange the words properly, the full story is revealed. Here is the completed text. Once everything is ready and all the clues have been collected, we'll move on to the persons of interest. They are, in order, Jubilee, Wolverine, and Bucky. And that's how you complete this puzzle in Marvel Rivals. With Wolverine's story complete, here is the completed puzzle breakdown for the Death of Psylocke case. Just like before, find all the clues from the top to the bottom. Hunt down all the hidden evidence scattered around the search area. Just click on every glowing star you find to log a clue. Next step is to drop all 12 missing keywords into the blank spots on the incident report. Simply copy the text I'm using on screen and this whole puzzle will be wrapped up before you know it. Now the next task is matching the persons of interests. First one is Psylocke. The second is Loki. And the final one is Magic. And there you go. The Death of Psylocke investigation is officially closed. Finally, we are ready with the Psylocke case and we can move on to the Gambit one. First, you need to find all the clues. Let's find them from the top to the bottom. If you are interested in the lore, you can read these through, but I'll move forward and focus only on the solutions. Now it's time to fill in the 12 empty spaces with the correct words. Follow along to complete the puzzle. When that's ready and we have all the clues, the next step is person of interest. The first one is Gambit, then the Hood, and the third one is Black Panther. And here comes the last one. This is the easiest. All you need to do is match these three pictures and you are good to go. And there you go. The investigation is officially closed. That's how you complete this puzzle in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you a wave of great Marvel Rivals games with friendly and skillful allies. If this guide has helped you completing all the puzzles, please consider subscribing to our channel.